Today we are going to supply 63 volts to a 6 to 12 volt bow motor and see what happens. But first we have to learn the two types of connections. In this connection, the same terminals of the batteries are connected to the appliance. The benefit of this is that if one battery dies down, the other continues to power the appliance. In this connection, we connect the positive and the negative terminals of the battery to increase the amount of voltage supplied to the appliance. This is the moment that everybody has been waiting for. Let's supply 63 volts to a 12 volt DC motor and see what happens. Want to know how to make robots? Check this out.